How do you make $100,000 per year by selling credit card processing and point of sale systems? If you think about it, it's really just a numbers game. So $100,000 per year is the same thing as $8,333 per month. And how do we get $8,333 per month? Well, that's by selling credit card readers and collecting the residual income that those credit card readers produce. For example, if you were to go out and sell a credit card reader to a business owner, you would get about 1% of all of the sales, all of the transactions that run through that credit card reader. So if you find a business that does $100,000 per month in sales, you collect 1% of their sales, meaning you would get $1,000 per month in residual income because you did the work one time and you set that business owner up with a credit card reader or a point of sale system. So that means that if we want to make $100,000 per year, we need either one business or a multitude of businesses that do a total of $833,000 per month. Now, I know that might sound like a lot of money to you, but for a business, that's not a lot of money, especially if you have 10 businesses, 20 businesses, 30 businesses that you set up with credit card readers. That means they all collectively do $833K a month. We collect 1% of that, and that comes out to our, $100K a year, or $8,333 per month, which equals $100K a year. If this is your first time hearing this concept from me, then there's actually two ways that you can make money by selling credit card readers, specifically point of sale systems. So the first way is the residual income. That's the one that I just talked about. You get 1% of the total transactions that run through that credit card reader or point of sale system. The second way you can make money with this business is actually with commissions. So with the commissions, there's two ways to make it. There is the demos and there are actual sales. So the processing company that we work with, you're basically just like a lead generator for that processing company. So you find a bunch of business owners who need point of sale systems. And it doesn't matter what point of sale system it is because we have hundreds of different point of sale systems that we could get that business owner. So you don't have to specialize in it. All you have to do is find business owners that need point of sale systems and you generate those leads. So you basically fill out a form for the processing company and then the processing company will follow up with that business owner over the phone and they're going to hop on a Zoom call. And once the business owner attends the Zoom call, if you get 8 of those business owners to attend the Zoom call, you get $2,000. That's the first way you make the upfront commission. Then the second way you make upfront commission is by actually closing the deal. So once the deals actually get closed, the business owner gets the point of sale system shipped to them and installed in their business. That is when you get the second chunk of upfront commission. So the commissions I'm going to list here right here on the screen. For example, if a business does under $50,000 per month, you will get a upfront bonus of $1,000 and it goes all the way up to $250,000. So once you get to $250,000, once that POS is installed in the business, you're actually going to get $10,000 in upfront commission and that's paid to you, right then and there. And if you guys were to compare it to any other industry out there, let's compare it to real estate, for example. If you were to become a realtor and you want to sell a house, you go out, you do all this work, you find a client, and then you sell their house. Say you make $10,000 on that one sale alone. Now that means that sale's over. There's no more money to be made from that one deal because you made your $10,000 commission and then it's on to the next one. You have to go and find a new client. However, with the credit card processing industry, you find a client, so a business owner, you sell the point of sale system to that client. Then once that point of sale system is installed in their business, you get your commission, right? So for example, your $10,000 in commission. And then every single month, you're going to make recurring commission because there are credit card transactions that are passing through that point of sale system. So you're going to collect 1% of all of their sales. And if that business is doing $250,000 per month through that point of sale system, you're going to make 1% of that, and that comes out to $2,500 per month that's going to get paid to you in addition to your upfront commission. And these business owners who buy point of sale systems from you, they're going to keep them for 10, 15, 20 years down the road. So essentially you could get paid that $2,500 per month for the next 15 plus years. And I mean, if you guys want to do the math on it, so if you do $2,500 times 12 for 12 months, that comes out to $30,000 per year. And if you want to multiply that by 15 years, that means this one account alone is going to make you $450,000 over the next 15 years. And there's literally no other industry out there that I can think of that can produce an income like this, especially producing upfront bonuses, upfront commission, as well as residual income. So if you guys want to make $100,000 by selling credit card processing, go ahead and click on the link down in the description below. I created a brand new free ebook. This ebook explains the entire process of how I was able to actually start selling credit card readers and point of sale systems. And I show you all of the resources that I use. So go ahead and click on that link down below and I'll see you guys over there. Peace.